Hello, Paul here from M.D Automotive. This is the one I done the cooler, oil cooler, starter motor, and the actual vapor separator, and the starter cable and all that stuff I was showing before. Car starting, just checking to make sure there's no oil leaks. No leaks from here, from the power steering rack. No leaks from the cooling hoses, as you can see. No leaks from this side here, all good. No coolant leak, no power steering leak. I'm going to connect the other stuff later. Alright, the main thing, the car's running, there's no leaks from the front power steering lines, there's no leak from the actual cooling system, there's no leaks from the actual oil cooler. I can't see any oil at the bottom. The oil there is just me because I overfilled the actual reservoir for the power steering. I'm going to clean it up later, but looking good so far. So the main thing I've got to do is make sure there's no leak from run the car on the hoist. And double check everything, make sure there's no leak from the front before I put all the covers back on in the hub and the shock absorber, because you don't want to put that back on and something else leaking. So it's looking good at the moment. Looking good. Brand new power steering rack, looking good as well. All the lines, cooling lines, and all that stuff's looking good as well. There's a new bump stop on the shock. But it's looking good, alright? So now I'm going to actually double check it again tomorrow and slowly put the wheel hub on and all that at the front here, put the brakes back on, and then go for a road test. But I'm not going to rush it because I want to pressure test this overnight so I can check in the morning tomorrow. Let's make sure it's 100% good before you assemble everything, because once you assemble you can't see much of this stuff here. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.